know, I just get up here and I have some great stuff to show you. Ideas and stuff. But you know, I just want to tell you, I'm going to tell you the truth here. It's all the truth, but I'm going to tell you a really simple truth about this business.
He does over $8 million online with his own business.
1,000 copies of the book. And he said that was really the kickstart to success. And that's something that can happen for you. It can improve the value.
$1 million if it's a really highly qualified site. That's called co-registration. I've built 100,000 subscribers.
Like an inside, she's an insider secret that not many people know about. And she worked with Jay Abraham. Yeah, she's an amazing genius, a marketing genius.
J. Conrad Levinson, Mark Victor Hansen. Major best-selling.
There's a course called How to Make, at that time it was called How to Make $4,000 a day sitting at your kitchen table in your underwear. And when people would call, like the phone might ring at 7 in the morning, I knew it was somebody probably calling to order this $5.95 or the $7.95 kit. So I go flying down the stairs because I definitely needed the money. And I go grab the phone.
And I want to talk about 3 fundamentals, and these things are key. If you do them,